A lot of business owners are still paying $5,000 a month for a virtual assistant. Scheduling, inbox management, data entry, research, content drafts, follow-up emails. Tasks that eat 40, 50, 60 hours a week. And here is the thing they do not want to hear. An AI automation stack can now handle 80% of that work for under $100 a month. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that stack looks like and how to plug it in today. Let us start with the inbox. If your VA spends more than 2 hours a day on email, you are burning money. Tools like Superhuman combined with a Claude or GPT-based workflow can triage, draft, categorize, and surface only the messages that actually need a human decision. You set the rules once. The AI runs them every single day, without sick days, without time zone gaps, without ever missing a follow-up. The cost? About $20 a month. Next is scheduling and calendar management. Calendly has been around for years, but in 2026, you pair it with an AI agent that can negotiate availability over email, reschedule conflicts automatically, and send personalized confirmations without you touching a single message. What used to take back and forth threads is now a single link and a clean calendar. Time saved, 2 to 4 hours per week, every week. Third is research and briefings. Your VA probably spent hours pulling competitor data, summarizing articles, building decks. Perplexity Pro with a custom agent workflow now does this in minutes. You prompt it once with standing instructions, and every morning you get a briefing. Industry news, competitor moves, keyword trends, whatever you define. It does not need reminding. It does not get distracted. It just delivers. Fourth is content creation and repurposing. This is where most businesses leave serious money on the table. One piece of long-form content, whether that is a podcast, a blog post, or a video like this one, can be broken into social clips, email newsletters, LinkedIn posts, and YouTube shorts, all with AI. Tools like CastMagic, Claude API pipelines, and Zapier automations handle the entire workflow. You create once. The machine distributes everywhere. A skilled VA doing this manually costs thousands. The AI stack costs under $50 a month. Fifth is data entry and CRM hygiene. Dead leads, duplicate contacts, incomplete records. This is the unsexy work that nobody does consistently. AI-powered tools like Clay combined with automation layers in Make or Zapier can clean your CRM, enrich contact data from LinkedIn and public sources, and flag high-intent leads automatically. Your pipeline stays clean without anyone touching it manually. Now here is the meta-insight that most people miss. The VA was not the problem. The lack of systems was the problem. A great VA works around broken systems. AI automation forces you to build the systems first, and then it runs them perfectly every time. The businesses that win with AI are not the ones that fired their entire team. They are the ones that eliminated the low-leverage, repetitive work and redeployed their human talent on relationships, strategy, and the work that actually requires judgment. The AI automation stack that replaced a $5,000 a month VA is not magic. It is a set of connected tools, clear prompts, and workflows you build once and maintain occasionally. If you are still paying for tasks that a machine can do better, it is time to make the switch. If you want to see more breakdowns like this, built for people who want to actually use AI and not just read about it, subscribe right now. New video drops 3 times a week. You do not want to fall behind.